Hi guys, welcome to the review of the Orbit water timer. That's this model, hope you can read that. 62061 and yeah, US patent but made in China as most of the things. This is the battery case. Here you have the top to connect to the water hose, and here you can the outlet, you can connect to the outlet, standard outlet. It has a filter, and here you can connect your hose. So there's just something in between. It's not too big, it's quite small, it's sturdy, it has a wheel with all the function, which is really neat. Yeah, it looks really great. It's cheap, it's sturdy outside. Display is good, everything. So far, I've been using it for about 1 month. I didn't have any leaks. It's really good. It's an amazing piece of amazing product, except one thing. It produces this water hammer. It has some special kind of closing functionality. It doesn't close softly like a piece which is closing slowly. It closes the water immediately. It interrupts the water flow immediately within I don't know, 100th of a second, and that's too fast. And if you have a water flow, if you stop a water flow too fast, you can cause this kind of I don't know, it's some kind called water hammer, which is not good for your pipes. After this review, I will add a small piece of video where you can see how it works, how it produces this water hammer. Except from that, it's actually everything is really good. So, and some people have been complaining about leaking. I think it's mostly caused by too much water pressure. There are things you can add on top of this to reduce the water pressure, or if you have like a water softener, water filter, that probably will reduce the water pressure as well. So this is how it comes. It's turned off. You have to add 2 pieces of standard battery, and you just insert that the right way, so you can't insert it in the wrong way, so it's protected, which is good. So you have to, when you rotate it and push it, have it the right way, you just push it in and it clicks, and it's also sealed. You can see there's a seal around this. There's no problem with water, so even if it's outside exposed to weather, there's no problem, there's no leak. So yeah, you can what you have to do is, of course, you have to set the clock. You go around this wheel and just use plus and minus. Like here you can adjust the time. If you long press, then it changes very fast. So there's no option for hours or minutes, just long press and it will change the time very fast. Okay, that's easy. Then the next thing is, you have automatic or like turned on. Here it's completely turned off. You have to say how often. Every 1 day, like every day, every second, every other day, every 3 days, every 4 days, up to how much was it? 7 days. And then you have options for every 6 hours, every 12 hours. That's it. So how long? Of course, you have to tell the unit how long it should water. It starts with 1 minute, and then it goes up to 40, 50. Yeah, it's probably almost indefinite. So yeah, that was maximum. It was 240 minutes, which is 4 hours. That's, yeah, it should be enough. Okay, hope you can see that. Start time, of course, you have to tell the unit when it should start with the watering process. Also same, plus minus. If you long press, it will change very fast. Okay, then yeah, here we are again, clock set, we already did that. Yeah, if you have set up everything, you just put it on automatic, and then it will do its job. Yeah. What you can do, you can start it manually if you think it's not enough. If you had like a drought period and it needs a little bit of more extra water one day, you just put it on manual, like, and you say how long. You can default is 10 minutes, but you can reduce it like to 1 minute or extend to probably 240 minutes. I haven't checked. Yeah, here you see it's 240 minutes. So, and then you have to start. I guess that's this. No, that was not this button. Yeah. Let's see again. I think I have tried this once. When you leave it for some time, yeah, I think when you leave it for some time, then it will start. Have you heard the click? It was a click. It was not something like moving something from left to right. It was like a click. That's not good for your pipes, but apart from that, it has started. Manual. If you see, watering for 1 minute, and after 1 minute it will close. So yes, I think this is it, more or less. Can we stop that? Yes. Now it has stopped. So manual. There is also the delay function, watering delay. If you had a lot of rain, then you can just you leave it on automatic and just push plus. Let's say it's delayed for 24 hours, 48 hours, and so on. So means up to 3 days you can delay it. Yeah, and after that it will resume based on the programming data which you entered. So yeah, I think there are not more functions. There's a reset button underneath here. I don't know, I have no idea when you should use that or why. Or I mean, when you want to reset, probably you can remove the battery. It will run for I think I remember it was running for a couple of minutes, and then everything was gone. So I think also it deleted all the programming. Yeah, so there's no need for the reset, but if you don't want to remove the battery and want to reset immediately, you can use this button. So yeah, that's it as far as I can remember. The only thing which is bad, is really bad, this is the closing mechanism, which is causing this water hammer and can damage your pipes. Apart from that, it would be really a great thing. I hope they will improve the whole thing. Have you seen that? Now everything is gone. So let's insert the battery again and see if it comes with the same time. No, that was the initial reset. So you can use the reset button or you can remove the battery. It will have the same effect. So yeah, and just watch that you have not too much pressure on this unit, because yeah, they say it is built for a maximum operating pressure of 100 psi and maximum heat of 120 Fahrenheit degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's it so far. So when they will improve the closing mechanism, I will be able to fully recommend. In the meantime, it's somehow recommended. It depends probably on your pipes. I've been reading through some commentaries and some reviews, and people have been telling that if you have old pipes like these copper pipes, which are maybe 30, 40, 50 years old, you probably shouldn't use that. If you have stainless steel, brand new stainless steel pipes, then it shouldn't be a problem as long as you don't have too much pressure on the outlet. So yeah, that's it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.